Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show us how we can quickly solve this tricky equation. Solution. Alright, we have 3x raised to power log 3 equals to 4x raised to power log 4. Now what we are going to do first is to take the log lim of both sides. So let's take the log of both sides. Alright, so then it becomes lim 3x raised to power log 3. Then we have lim 4x raised to power log 4. Alright, so we take this to the back, then it becomes log 3 ln 3x equals to this becomes log 4 ln 4x. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is to expand. Okay, we want to expand this. Remember that if we have ln AB, the same thing as ln A plus ln B, okay, and that is what we are doing to ln 3x and ln 4x. Okay, so we have log 3, then this will become ln 3 plus ln x equals to, here we have log 4, and this becomes ln 4 plus ln x. Alright, so we have applied this. So now let's expand. We are expanding this and expanding this. Log 3 times ln 3 will give us log 3 ln 3 plus log 3 times ln x will give us log 3 ln x. Also here, log 4 times ln 4 will give us log 4 ln 4. And lastly, log 4 times ln x will give us log 4 ln x. Okay, then we can collect like terms. Those ones with x, let's bring them together. Those ones with x, let's bring them together. So we have log 3 ln x, and we bring here, it becomes minus log 4 ln x, and then we have this log 4 ln 4, and minus this log 3 ln 3. Okay, so we factor out ln x. Ln x is common here, we factor it out, so we bring it out. We have ln x. What do we have here? We have log 3 minus log 4, and here we write it again. We have log 4 ln 4 minus log 3 ln 3. Okay, now we are going to use this using log k. That will give us ln k over ln 10. Okay, so if we have log k and we want to convert it to ln, it becomes ln k over ln 10. Alright, so that is what we are using for log 3 and the log 4. So we have ln x, this. Then for us to write log 3, we change it to ln 3 over ln 10 minus this becomes ln 4 over ln 10. And also we are going to apply that here. Instead of writing log 4, we write ln 4 over ln 10, then multiply by ln 4 that we have here, minus here too we have ln 3 over ln 10 multiplied by ln 3 that we have there. Okay, right, so now we find the LCM. The LCM of this is going to be ln 10. Okay, and then we have ln 3 minus ln 4. Also here we find the LCM is also ln 10. Okay, and then we have ln 4 in two places, and that will give ln 4 square minus, also here we have ln 3 square. This ln 10 here, we cancel the ln 10 here. Okay, so we have ln x, then we have ln 3 minus ln 4 equals to, we have ln 4 square minus ln 3 square. Now let's divide both sides by ln 3 minus ln 4. Okay, so we divide this side by ln 3 minus ln 4, and we also divide that side by ln 3 minus ln 4. So this cancel this. We have ln x. For this, we can do difference of squares. Alright, we can do difference of squares. Remember, if we have a square minus b square, it becomes a minus b, a plus b. Okay, alright, so that is what we are going to apply here. So for that, this becomes ln 4 minus ln 3 multiplied by ln 4 plus ln 3, that's difference of squares, over, then we have ln 3 minus ln 4. Okay, so from there, you can see that ln 3 is starting this expression, ln 3 minus ln 4, while here we have it as ln 4 minus ln 3. So we can actually cancel like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the arrangement of this. Right, so we have ln 4 minus ln 3 multiplied by ln 4 plus ln 3 over, then this will become minus ln 4 minus ln 3. Okay, because minus 1 times ln 4 give minus ln 4, then minus 1 times minus ln 3 will give plus ln 3. Right, so from here now we can successfully divide this by this, okay, because we have it as ln 4 minus ln 3 in both places. Then we have ln x equals to, this becomes minus ln 4 plus ln 3. All right, so now remember that one of the laws says if we have ln a b, it becomes ln a plus ln b. Okay, that is what we are applying here. So that becomes minus ln 4 times 3, which is 12. Okay, also we are going to apply this. If you have minus k ln a, it will give you ln a raised to power minus k. Okay, this is what we are going to use now. Right, so this minus k becomes the power. That's what we are doing here. So now from here we have ln x equals to, this becomes ln 12 raised to power minus 1. This minus 1 here. Okay, it's here now. All right, so what is 12 raised to power minus 1? So we have ln x equals to ln 1 over 12. Okay, from here, this ln can cancel this ln, the log can cancel the log. We have x equals to 1 over 12, which is the final answer. Okay, our answer is x equals to 1 over 12. Okay, now let's try something very similar to that. Let's try this. Okay, we have 2x raised to power log 2 equals to 5x raised to power log 5. Okay, all right, let's try this. Let's find x, and then we drop our answer under the comment section. Thanks guys, don't forget to like, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.